Welcome to Smart Computer class. Today we learn about what is computer. So the definition of computer is an electronic machine that processes data, it takes input, processes it and gives output. For example, you type something with a keyboard that is input and processes your word and shows them on screen. तो कंप्यूटर एक ऐसी इलेक्ट्रॉनिक मशीन है जो डाटा को लेती है एज आ इनपुट, उसको प्रोसेस करती है और उसका जो रिज़ल्ट है वो स्क्रीन पे शो करती है। तो नेक्स्ट इज़ मेन फंक्शंस: इनपुट, प्रोसेस, आउटपुट एंड स्टोरेज। Input getting information, process using CPU to work on that data, output showing results, storage stores data. Next is the types of computer, that is desktop for office, school, laptop, portable computer, tablet and mobile, smart but smart. Servers, powerful computers used by companies. Why is it important? Computers are used in almost every field: education, banking, hospitals, designing, and even at home. They help us save time, do complex work, and stay connected. So remember, a computer is not just a machine, it's a smart helper that follows instructions quickly and accurately. In our next video, we will learn about the parts of computer. Activity: take a sheet and draw a computer, label its input, process, output and storage, or list 5 uses of computers in your daily life. If you learned something new, like this video, subscribe for more computer basics and comment your favorite computer use below.